Hi guys, Terry here. It's a beautiful sunny day in early May in Columbus, Ohio, and I have received my Sewers Club from, I think it's from Canada, but the shipping label says New York, so I forget where they're out of. But this is my third or fourth month. This one is a table runner with some beautiful blue fabric. That's what it looks like. I bet that goes together very quickly. So let's see what it looks like here. So here's the May box, and they have a link that you go to, and it's got instructions on their website. Very pretty. Very pretty. So let's see. This month's project features 100% cotton banyan batiks, homemade by local artisans of Indonesia. So, oh, look at these colors. And you get some thread. I always love that. So, very pretty. Some yellows. Pretty brown. And then look at this one. That is beautiful. That must be the backing. Oh, so fun. That is so cute. That is really cute. Oh, look, it's got a saying on it. Oh my gravy. Say yes to new adventures. I love that. That is so pretty. So I'm interested in how they craft this into the, into the mat. So it must be that seam across the back of the fabric. So I'll have to watch their video and see how they lined up that seam on the mat. But that is really fun. Really cute. And I love that they include the thread too, because you might not have a thread that goes with the, that goes so well with the colors. So that'll be fun. I will have links on my website to their information. It's a monthly subscription, and it's got some such cute projects. You can look at my past ones. Here's the February one. Here's the Tidy Tool Caddy from, must have been from March. And yeah, that my projects are stacking up, so I need to get on them. It's nice because they come in a nice little box. Everything's ready to go here, so I just need to make it a priority to maybe I should have a sewing day and a card making day and a scrapbooking day, so that I get all my projects done. Because I had bought this fabric too not too long ago, if you remember. Went to a local craft store and they had this fabric, and I haven't made this quilt yet. I picked out the pattern. Well, I guess I haven't decided on the pattern. I was going to do one of these too. So just gotta get back into quilting. So lots of quilting projects stacking up around here. So I hope your springtime is going well. I hope the weather is nice in your area. I know I always feel better when it's sunny outside. We've had rain for about the last week, so ready for the sunshine to be out. I did get my flowers planted, so those look good. And I will talk to you guys soon. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.